This video tutorial explains the false color function of the CINENORM series monitors. This tutorial is applicable to the BM54WR, BM54, and BM7-Ds. First, tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap the Add button. Tap Exposure. Then tap False Color to add and enable this function. Tap Style. There are 5 options: ARI, Log Mode, and 3 custom false color styles: Map 1, Map 2, and Map 3. Among these, ARI is a fixed, non-editable style. When using the log style, the monitor's log input settings must match the log settings used in the camera to view the correct false color. How to set the monitor's log parameters? Tap the screen, tap Monitor Settings, tap Input. Then tap Log Input to view the current camera mode and log information being used on the monitor. Adjust the settings of camera, color gamut, and curve to match those of your actual camera to view the correct false colors. Return to the log style for false colors. Tap Edit to view the 2 presets, Exposure 1 and Exposure 2, as well as a custom option. Tap User to edit the color for each exposure value, and tap Save to complete the custom settings. Tap Styles. Maps 1, 2, and 3 are all custom functions. Tap Edit, then tap the Add button to customize the false color exposure value colors based on the image brightness levels. Tap the value to adjust the color coverage range. Use the middle slider to adjust the color position, and tap Save to complete the customization. This is the full introduction of the false color function of the CINENORM series monitors.